Designated Cabbie is denying being behind the wheel of the taxi that crashed in halfway tree.
1 billion a second, please. See that now?
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
George Malcolm, the driver assigned to the taxi, which plowed into two pedestrians in halfway tree St. Andrew on Wednesday afternoon, the 23rd of October, has surrendered to the police. But according to the acting head of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Senior Superintendent Gary McKenzie, Malcolm has told investigators that he was not behind the wheel when the vehicle crashed. Mr. Malcolm reportedly told the police that he was driving the car when someone he knows took the car and drove off. A video of the incident has been circulating on social media. The 17-second video shows a woman and a man walking on the sidewalk before being hit by the speeding taxi. The pedestrians were flung in the air. The police also say the driver abandoned the car on the scene following the crash.
Dummy don't take a blood.
So yeah, dummy look like him get it still. I move.
Yeah, now come the person. 1 billion a second, brother. 1 billion a second, please. See that now?
Mackenzie said the police are now trying to locate Chad Ingram of a Central Village St. Catherine address, who Malcolm said was driving the taxi when it veered off onto the sidewalk off Eastwood Park Road and slammed into a male and a female pedestrian. Both victims remain hospitalized with varying injuries. The male appears more seriously injured with a fractured hip and injuries to his legs and head. The woman miraculously sustained only bruises. Mackenzie said investigators cannot yet determine who was driving the taxi at the time of the crash and is appealing to the makers of the video of the incident to come forward to the police. In the meantime, the senior cop says, based on initial investigations, Ingram does not have a license to operate a taxi. He also said Ingram currently has 79 outstanding traffic tickets. Mackenzie could not immediately say whether Malcolm had any outstanding tickets. However, he said a few months ago, Malcolm was prosecuted for dangerous driving in court. He pleaded guilty to the lesser offense of careless driving. He has always been the subject of tickets by the police, Mackenzie said of Malcolm. Meanwhile, one of the pedestrians mowed down is calling on the owners of public passenger vehicles to do better background checks on the drivers of their vehicles. The woman, Princess Stoddart, spoke from the hospital where she's being treated.
Well, honestly, I think anybody who's giving anyone a vehicle to drive should get a proper background check on them before giving them a vehicle. Because at the end, most of the time, it's not the owner driving the vehicle. Some people that they employ. And they don't check out their background before they just give them it.
The man who was first hit by the car identified himself as Rushane. He says he blocked out soon after he was hit by the car. Rushane says he has suffered multiple injuries to his lower body, hand and head.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.